English is an international language of communication.
English is the language used in business, science, and technology.
The knowledge of English language helps you to get to know the culture and mentality of other countries.
You can easily travel anywhere in the world.
English helps you increase your educational opportunities.
English is the official language of 57 countries around the world.
Hello, we are the English teachers of the school gymnasium named after Qadirgali Qosumulu Jalairi. We are glad to announce that we are starting our English week.
During the week, we will demonstrate demo lessons, organize entertaining activities, conduct games and competitions,
Hold educational quizzes.
That is why we are inviting you to take part in our English week.
Well